Right, class three, it's time for Olympic challenges again. Two kind of challenges for you today. We'll see how we get on. So, the two challenges that we're going to look at, carry on looking at the Olympics and finding out a little bit more about the Olympics. So, today, I want you to find out about some of the events that were in those very first Olympics, the ancient Olympic Games, the ones that took place in ancient Greece. So find out about some of those events, and also find out about some of the events that are in our modern Olympics, and compare the two. See which ones are still being played, see which ones are still being done, see which ones have changed from there. So that's your first task. We'll take a look at that in a few moments. And also, I think we're going to have a go at the javelin today. We'll see what we can do. Don't panic. If you can't do javelin, maybe just use a ball or something. But again, we'll talk about that in a few seconds. Right, back to those ancient Olympics and some of the things that took place. This is the sheet that I'd like you to have a look at today. Okay, so we've got a list of different events there, some of which may have taken place at the ancient Olympics, some still at the modern Olympics, some only at the modern Olympics. So you might just need to do a little bit of research to find out about these events, to see what happened with them and whether they were in the modern or the ancient Olympics. And then what I'd like you to do, your task, is to put this into a Venn diagram. Now there's one up on the website that I've put for you. You can print this out if you want to, or you could draw it into the back of your English books, or like I say, print it out and stick it into the back of your English books. That's fine. And I'd like you to put the names of some of the events on that previous sheet into this Venn diagram. So remember, if they took part, if those events were carried out in ancient Greece, in the ancient Olympics, then it goes in that ring there. If they took place in the modern Olympics, that they take place in our Olympics we have nowadays, they go into this one, and this is where they overlap. So if there's any events that took place in both, then you put them into the middle. You can either stick the pictures in, draw the pictures in, you can put the labels. I definitely want the labels. You could just put the labels in there as well. And if you want to, you can try and find out a little bit more. Can you come up with some extras? Can you come up with some more that weren't mentioned, but aren't on our list, to add into this one, and some that aren't on our list to add into this one as well? So that's your first task, to try and find out about some of those events. And your second task is obviously to try and beat an Olympic record or a world record. So today it's all about throwing. We'll have a go at the javelin or the shot put. I don't mind which one of those bits. Javelin, you're just going to have to be a bit careful and just check with your parents. But if you've got a stick or something, you might be able to throw that. But I'm more than happy to swap the stick for a ball. I'll be using a ball in our garden. So see how far you can throw that ball. How close can you get to the world record or the Olympic record? And like I say, you can choose to have a look at the javelin world record, or the shot put world record might be a good one now. The shot put's slightly different. The ball goes underneath your neck and you push out like that. So you can try the shot put. The javelin's more of a throw coming from behind like that. So there's your challenge. Try and find out about some of those events in the ancient Olympics and the modern Olympics, and also have a go at trying to beat the world records for either the javelin or the shot put. So best of luck, class 3. I'll catch up with you later.